Hello, children. Today we are going to revise chapter number 11, that is Kitty and Witty, which we have already discussed yesterday. And the value which we have learned from this chapter was avoiding fights, that we should not fight with anyone, nor with our family, nor with any outsiders. So in this story, we will talk about Kitty and Witty, and we have already talked about it. That Kitty and Witty were two cats, and they were living in one colony. And once what happened, they were not getting any food and they were feeling very very hungry that day. So they both were sitting and watching everywhere, and suddenly a woman came out from her house and she threw a chapati from her house. Both of them ran towards it and started fighting over it. So in this story, a monkey played a very important role. He came down from the tree. He was watching everything and he came down and he started talking that I will take care of it. I will distribute the chapati among both Kitty and Witty. And finally he fooled them, and he have eaten all the chapati himself. And in finally they did not get anything. So the value which we have learned is quarreling is never a solution to anything. If you quarrel, other people will take take advantage of yours. अगर आप लड़ोगे तो दूसरे लोग फ़ायदा उठाएंगे. That we have already learnt yesterday in this chapter. Now there are some question and answers given over here. So question number 1 is discuss the following in class. So I am discussing it. Rather I will send you a PDF separately, but right now I am only discussing. So don't worry about the PDFs. It will be sent to you on the classroom group. So the question number 1 is, who were Kitty and Witty? Where did they live? So very simple answer. Kitty and Witty were the two cats and they live in a colony. Okay, they live in one colony and they were two cats. So next question is, what did they see the lady doing? They saw that a lady came out from her house and she threw one chapati outside. It was a big size chapati. Okay, and they were hungry also, so they wanted that chapati. Why did Kitty and Witty fight? So simple answer, they fought over the chapati. Both of them wanted the chapati for themselves because both of them were feeling very very hungry. What did the monkey tell them? Did he really help them? The monkey told them, okay, I have seen everything, so I will divide the chapati among you and you will be happy then. But finally, at the end of the story, monkey did not help them. Rather, he took advantage of them and eaten all the chapati alone by fooling them. He have taken the advantage of their misunderstanding. What did they realize in the end? The important thing which they have realized, that they realized, written over here, they realized how their fight helped the monkey cause a loss to them. They decided that they will solve their problems with love and faith in future. तो बात करके हम अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को, अपनी फाइट्स को, अपने जो डिफरेंसेस हैं अपने दोस्तों से, अपनी फैमिली से, वो हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Quarreling is not the solution. Important thing is that which we have to learn over here. Now there is some another question, second question, which we will discuss rather. Said what would happen? Matlab it is a situation. What would have been the story of Kitty if Kitty and Witty has decided to divide the chapati peacefully between themselves? So that day when they found that chapati, it would be possible if they have decided to talk and peacefully divide the chapati among themselves. Then both of them got some food for themselves. But in this case, in this story, they did not do that. Rather, they started fighting over it, and somebody else, like monkey, took the advantage of their situation. So अगर उन्होंने बात की होती तो शायद उनको खाने को थोड़ी रोटी भी मिल जाती और उनके बीच में लड़ाई भी नहीं होती, और दूसरा जो मंकी था वो फ़ायदा भी नहीं उठाता. बट उन्होंने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया एंड दे स्टार्टेड फाइटिंग ओवर इट एंड फाइनली दे लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग. तो लड़ने से आपने देखा कैसे उन्होंने अपनी हर चीज़ खो दी. उस समय उनके लिए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट थी दैट चपाती, बट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर फाइट दे डिड नॉट गेट दैट चपाती. Now solve the crossword given below using the clues given. Now this is very easy exercise. Just one thing you have to do, you have to try by yourself. And in my next video I will tell you the right answers of it. So first of all, children, you try to solve by yourself. If you did not get the answer, I will help you out in my next video, definitely. So try to solve this exercise. This is just like a small homework for you. Just do it by yourself. Try at least. Don't worry, I will tell you the solutions of it. And if you have any query regarding the story or anything, drop me a message in the comment box below the video. Thank you.